Today, we are going to show you how to use sorting and grouping functions within DejaOffice PC CRM contacts. DejaOffice PC CRM lets you sort and group contacts based on a number of fields. Open DejaOffice PC CRM and then go to the Contacts view. The three horizontal lines at the top is called the hamburger menu. It contains items relevant to this list view. Click on the hamburger menu to see the sort by and group by options. When you choose an option in either the sort by or group by, you will see available fields. You can sort by or group by company name, category, city, state, zip, and also the first custom field. Let's start by sorting by company. You can see my list is now showing names by company name. Then I can group by category, and this shows me each company within context of the category value. I can limit the categories I'm looking at using the funnel icon. You will notice that at the top of the list it shows the name of the category to indicate what was selected. To return to the normal list, click on the filter again, and then deselect the checked categories and click OK. For more custom filtering, you can go to the funnel icon and click on the Queries option in the bottom left. Another way to view the records is to use the grid view. In the grid view, group by is not available. Sort by is accomplished by clicking the column header. Within the grid view, you are able to make batch changes such as adding a category to selected records. Simply select the records you want to add the category to, and then right-click and select Add Category. From here, you can also print out a report based on a selection by clicking on the printer icon. To return back to the default screen again, click on the icon to the right of the magnifying glass to return to the list view. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel and visit the links below.